familiar sight. Back up at Malcop again. I'm going to be doing the old modern Malheem activation. I'm going to be using 2 meters. But I'm not going to be using FM. I'm using CW or any of them digital modes. I'm going to be doing SSB. I'm going to be doing AM mode. Amplitude Modulation, old man's mode, ancient mode, angels mode, whichever. I've never done it before, so be interesting. And I've not walked far from the car, I'm out of breath already, so it shows how out of condition I am. I'm going to be doing the same spot as I did last time I was up here when I worked at that VK station. So hopefully should have a few contacts. It's another fantastic day as well, so there's a AM Amateur Radio Europe Facebook group, so I posted on there. Yeah, I was meant to do it yesterday, but I forgot a connector. So should be a good day.
Yes, and yourself, Dom. Working conditions, I'm using about 15 watts from a TS2000 into an X700 Diamond. Go ahead.
Excellent. Conditions are Yaesu FT857D, 50 watts into they call it a multifunction dipole. Basically it's a half-wave dipole, and you can have it vertical like it is now, or you can change it over and have it horizontal. Nice lightweight dipole.
Working very, very well indeed. I saw your video yesterday. I did have a look at the video of the VK station. That was good. Very, very good. Go ahead.
Roger, yes. I was going to do AM mode yesterday, but I forgot the connector to the radio. But yeah, that VK one, my friend Mike, who was on Overmore, 20 Triple Yankee, he has a regular schedule with Ernie and Ed in Germany. We worked on 40, and he messaged me, do you want to get up a bit earlier and try and work a VK station? I'm like, yeah, why not? I'm not going to pass that one down. Ernie was running about 400 watts there, so he was doing most of the work, but I was really surprised at how strong he was. And I think it's about 23,000 kilometre on long path, so that was a bonus, and made my day that day.
Yeah, I'm sure. Don't just give me just remind me of your new call sign. I've got the old one, but just give me a reminder on the new one. Go ahead.
Okay, the new call sign is 2 Echo 0 Kilo India Oscar. 2 Echo 0 Kilo India Oscar.
That's absolutely fantastic, and congratulations on that, of course. And yeah, got it in the log now. I won't hold it too long if you don't mind, but I'm surprised I'm getting up to you, because the chase has grown up over the years, and my path to the north is very, very poor now. I suppose the signal's coming through about 2 miles of trees. Go ahead.
Right. I think I've got the height advantage here as well. It's 337 metres above sea level, so I think I might have a height advantage. But yeah, it's a great signal coming through coming from Cannock anyway. I really appreciate you coming back to me.
No, I'm pleased to work you. As I say, I haven't been on AM for many, many years. I did have a few skeds when the Cannock Club was active in the late 80s, I should say. But I don't think I've used it since. Listen, you look after yourself, enjoy yourself up on the hill, I don't know if conditions are up on 2 metres, but the barometer's absolutely sky high, so you should have a good day anyway, Dom. Look after yourself, and it'll be good when we can meet up back at the club again. 7-3 for now anyway, from G0DUQ.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one. I might do AM mode a bit more, but yeah, cheers for that one, Rob, and I'll catch you further down. 73s, take it easy.
7-3, Dom, all the very best. Have a good day.
QRZ. 2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable. 2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable. 1 CQ, standing by.
Mike 1, Mike Lima, Mike.
Mike 1, Mike Lima, Mike. Hello, Ben. 59++.
Yeah, same here. I'm lying in bed. I've got a little aerial on top of the cupboard, the wardrobe, so yeah, cracking here. I'm going to need 5 watts this way.
Roger, 50 watts again here.
Yeah, that's doing the job. Yeah, what do you think of AM then? It's quiet, isn't it? You don't get all that white noise, do you?
It's quiet, there's no white noise, and the audio quality is fantastic. Just went to a station down in Cannock, and he was only running about 5 watts, 15 watts. He's really clear audio.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's alright. The only problem is you pick up a lot of noise we used to years ago in cars and stuff, ignition noise, but yeah, it's good. Are you on the 857?
Yeah, 857 with the multifunction dipole. That's to stop that in the trig point.
Alright, yeah. Is it nice up there this morning? I haven't looked out the window yet, really.
It's a bit cold, but clear blue skies again.
Alright, friend. Alright, I'll let you carry on and get some more log. I can get up now and speak to you again soon.
Okay, cheers, Ben. Nice one. You're second in the log now, so 2 more on it sorted.
Alright, yeah, you should get that hopefully, shouldn't you? Keep calling. There's some guys on 500, but they're on FM. I thought it was you at first. When I read your message, I thought I didn't read it right. My eyes weren't open. So I was listening to them on AM. I thought, these don't sound very clear. But I realised they were on FM.
Yeah, I checked above and below me, so hopefully I'm not causing interference. But yeah, I'll let you wake up a bit, Ben, and get some coffee in you. Wake yourself up a bit, and I'll catch you further down. 73.
Yeah, right, Dom. Take care, mate. 73.
TQ. 2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable. Calling CQ, standing by, AM mode.
What mode is transmitting on?
AM, Amplitude Modulation.
Not very good.
It's the first time I've used this one, so I'm a bit new to the band. QZ? CQ. 2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable.
2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable. This is Golf 0 Tango Victor Bravo. Calling.
Golf 0 Tango Victor Bravo. Good morning. 59++ up to Hema Summit of Old Man of Mal. My name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike, QSL.
Yeah, sorry, you're not quite as strong with me. There's a bit of noise on your signal there. But I did just notice you on Facebook, so I thought I'd come and see if I could hear you. You're there, but you're about there's about a 4 and 2 by me. My name is Paul. I'm in Hebden Bridge, West Yorkshire, about 8 miles west of Halifax. Back to you. If you just speak a bit slowly, I'll be able to pick you out of the noise. Back to you from G0 TVB.
Okay, thanks for the signal report, Paul. You are 5959. I'm on a Hema Summit of Old Man of Mal. Old Man of Mal, Mal Pop. Over.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I know where that is. I've worked stations on it before, Middle of the Mode. That's pretty good, that. You must be about 50 miles away, so that's pretty good. I'm using an Elecraft KX3 into a vertical via an RM Electronics linear. So I'm using Elecraft KX3 with the VHF boarding into an RM Electronics linear. I can't hold it long, I'm afraid. I've got to go to work in a minute, but it's really nice to hear you. And that's not bad at all. I wonder what the name is. I've got your square up. I don't know where you are. I'm in India Oscar 83 X-Ray Sierra. That's my square. Italy Oscar 83 X-Ray Sierra. Or worked all Britain SD 92. So that's where I am. Back to you from G0 TVB.
Okay, Roger. India Oscar 83 Victor Charlie, and I think the square is Sierra Julia 83. Appreciate the contact. You're the 4th in the log, number 4 in the log.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Yeah, thanks a lot. I hope you work some more. I'm going to set off to work now. 73's all the best. G0 TVB.
Okay, cheers for that one. 73. QRZ, QRZ. 2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable, Corner CQ, standing by. 2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar Portable. Well, I've got 4 in the log. First with the Hebden Bridge, Cannock. Don't know where the other guy was 2 years. I'll look him up. Obviously Ben, he was about 5-6 miles away. I'm quite happy with that. Needed 4 to qualify it. Let's get up a bit. And oh, there we go. Battery's about to run out, but here's the views anyway. Cheshire Plain, etc. Malcop Castle's just there. Well, it's going to be in the sun, but that's the multifunction dipole. I will try and do a video making that. It's dead easy. It's just a half-wave dipole and a bit of plastic piping. I think I might try FM. I don't know. That was me anyway, AM mode, so I've qualified it on AM mode. Apart from the BAM police who never gives the call sign. I hope you see this on YouTube. Right, okay, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy, 73.